Hey, welcome to my lab. So this is just a quick video on these Hamilton Beach food dehydrators. So I know a lot of people use those circular Sultan type food dehydrators with 5-gallon buckets to dehydrate or dry their filament. And right now I have some issues being in a humid basement with PLA actually absorbing moisture, not even PETG. You can see it's like really porous. And after just 4 hours of drying it, I've gotten a much better result here. So that's just 4 hours. Now, there's something to be said about these square food dehydrators. I really thought that, I use this mainly for hot peppers, but if you take away the trays you use with food and you just cut away 2 of the trays, I never end up using all the trays anyway, can make this do double duty and be my filament dryer. So if anyone has a square dehydrator that might fit filament, just go for it. Cut the center out with some pad cutters, and you just need to cut out 2 trays if you're using a Hamilton Beach, and it works really well. So my printer's happy. I'm gonna pop in some PETG here because I've got a stack of filament that's just been in this basement that's been consistently over 50% humidity. Yeah, sometimes in the 60s, and I need to get a dehumidifier in here, but until then I can at least dehydrate my filament and get back to some quality prints. That's all. Thanks for watching.